Alright, that music kind of puts you right into the holiday spirit, doesn't it? Alright, so you can print the template off of my website. You can find it under Christmas Tree Ornaments. Glue it on there, cut it out, sand the glue back off, and now you want to scrape out little voids, fill them in with Star Bond adhesive. Now that spray is a catalyst, makes it harden. Oh, that, yeah. You shouldn't do that. Fix the base to something, make it stable if you're going to use it as a router table. Not the safest, but now we just sand after we round it over the edges. And, you know, we all like sanding. Let's get a good close-up of the barely legal Black Rifle Coffee Company t-shirt. And there you go. That one's done. Drill a little hole for the string to go through. I believe that's 330 seconds. I'm probably totally way off. I'm using Minwax Antique Oil finish for a high luster hand rubbed shine, and that's it. Takes about 20 minutes to whip one of those up. Now the next step is the revealed grain variant of the ornament, and I don't show me burning the shit out of them, but you want to really get them good and charred. Make sure you get in between the branches. Using a Nyalox flat brush, you just kind of sand all the ash off, clean them up really well, and, you know, it's pretty simple. Next step, get some Transfast Dye. We just used green. I don't know the name. It's just green. And I think I did 2 coats. And in the darker areas, I put a little bit of gray on as well. And that was it for the revealed grain ones. Follow the same procedures, you know, drill the hole, tie the string. This is the final and the resin variant, and you know, that's the proper way to use a router, and you just sand, and sand, and sand. And you apply your finish, same finish, Minwax Antique Oil, and that is all she wrote. Merry Christmas! Make some ornaments.